Hi guys, today I will show you how to disassemble your Nokia 3510E or whatever you have. You don't have E. Both phones are same. So first of all, you need to disassemble your back cover and take off the front cover from the telephone with the plastic tool like this. And need to get 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here will be 6. Get out. Okay, now we need to get out the motherboard from the plastic body with the plastic tool. Okay, so we have back cover, we have a few elements. This is the speaker, charging port, vibration module. Here is a motherboard from the phone. Like you see, they have some damage, I see here. And here are your LCD with the keypad and the speaker. I hope the video you enjoy. If yes, you can thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and see you by next video. Hey! Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher.